My all students, today's lecture held on study of financial statements. Lecture 6, problem number 8, vertical income statement and balance sheet. In this problem, now we are going to learn two factors, which is vertical income statement and balance sheet. Following is the trial balance of Kushmanand Limited as on 31st March 2018. Trial balance, particulars debit side, particulars credit side. Debit side, preliminary expenses not at return of 10,000, goodwill 1 lakh, plant and machinery 4 lakhs, land and building 2,50,000, investments 1 lakh, opening stock 50,000, account receivable 2 lakhs, cash 40,000, depreciation on plant and machinery 40,000, wages 60,000, purchases 2 lakhs, administrative expenses 70,000, selling expenses 60,000, interest on debentures 20,000. Credit side, equity share capital 5 lakhs, general reserve 2,10,000, 10% debentures 2 lakhs, account payable 1,30,000, proposed dividend 50,000, sales 5 lakhs, interest on investment 10,000, total of trial balance 16 lakhs. Additional information. Adjustment first, closing stock as on 31st March 2018 is rupees 60,000. Adjustment second, make provision for tax at 50% on profit before tax. You are required to prepare vertical income statement for the year ended 31st March 2018 and vertical balance sheet as on that date for financial analysis. Dear student, we are going to prepare firstly vertical income statement of Kushmanand Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018. Particulars rupees. In vertical form, vertical income statement, sales 5 lakhs given as in trial balance, less cost of goods sold, opening stock 50,000, purchases 2 lakhs, total 2,50,000, less closing stock 60,000, add wages 60,000, depreciation on plant and machinery 40,000, cost of goods sold 2,90,000. After deduction of cost of goods sold from sales, gross profit is 2,10,000. Less operating expenses, administrative expenses 70,000, selling expenses 60,000, total operating expenses 1,30,000. After deduction of 1,30,000 from gross profit, after deduction of total operating expenses from gross profit, operating profit before interest and tax is 80,000, less interest 20,000, operating net profit is 60,000, add non-operating income, interest received 10,000, less non-operating expenses nil, net profit before tax 70,000, less income tax 50% as per adjustment 35,000, 70,000 multiply 50 divided 100 is 35,000, retained earning net profit is 35,000. Now we are going to prepare balance sheet of Kushmanand Limited as on 31st March 2018. Balances as per trial balance. First, we have to prepare statement, particulars, rupees. First, source of fund. Sub-point, shareholders fund. Equity share capital 5 lakhs. Reserve and surplus. General reserve 2,60,000. Profit and loss account 35,000. It is a transfer from income statement or profit and loss account. Total 7,95,000 less accumulated losses or preliminary expenses 10,000. After deduction of preliminary expenses, outer balance 7,85,000. Loans fund 10% debentures 2 lakhs. Total source of fund 9,85,000. Second point, application of funds. First, fixed assets. Intangible assets, goodwill 1 lakh. Tangible assets, plant and machinery 4 lakhs. Land and building 2,50,000. Total fixed assets 7,50,000. Point second, investments 1 lakh. Balance as per balance sheet. Third, working capital. A. Current assets. Quick assets. Account receivable 2 lakhs. Cash 40,000. Total quick assets 2,40,000. Stock current assets 60,000. Total current assets is 3 lakhs less the current liabilities. Quick liabilities. Account payables 1,30,000. Provision for tax 35,000. Total 1,65,000. Current assets minus current liability is equal to working capital, and working capital balance is here 1,35,000 after deduction. Total application of funds 9,85,000. Note, contingent liability proposed dividend rupees 50,000 as per adjustment. Thank you.